the literal meaning of all these three words: compare, complaint, and criticism. Cancerous words. Why I am highlighting them as a cancerous word? The moment I compare Tarun Samant with Mr. Milind, I am trying to downgrade Mr. Milind. I am saying Tarun Samant is better, Mr. Milind is not better.
गत 3 साल से लेंड्रा पार्क में मॉर्निंग वॉक करना यह मेरे जीवन का अटूट हिस्सा बना है। इस मॉर्निंग वॉक ने मुझे मोहता जी से मिलाया, शंखनाद वर्ग के संचालकों से रूबरू होने का मौका भी दिया। बहुत शानदार तरीके से लेंड्रा पार्क के सुहावने हरियाली के बीच खुद का फिटनेस रूटीन संभालने वाले तरुण सामंत जी की पहली मुलाकात का कारण भी यह मॉर्निंग वॉक ही रहा। जिंदादिली तथा पंक्चुअलिटी का बेजोड़ मिलाप बने तरुण जी को आपसे मिलाना यह मेरा सौभाग्य है। इस पॉडकास्ट के 2 हिस्से हैं। पहला हिस्सा है तरुण जी का फिटनेस रूटीन और दूसरा हिस्सा है तरुण जी की किताब, जिसके बारे में हम इस पॉडकास्ट में चर्चा करने वाले हैं। यह पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने के पहले एक डिक्लेरेशन देना जरूरी है। यह पॉडकास्ट तरुण जी के किताब का प्रमोशन नहीं है। मुझे उनका स्वभाव अच्छा लगा, उनकी किताब भी अच्छी लगी, इसलिए मेरे दोस्तों तक यह किताब पहुंचाने के लिए मैं खुद होकर यह पॉडकास्ट प्रसारित कर रहा हूं। तरुण जी के बारे में तथा उनकी किताब में लिखे हुए लाइफ चेंजिंग प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में मेरे दोस्तों को जानकारी देना यही इस पॉडकास्ट का सीमित उद्देश्य है। धन्यवाद।
आपकी आयु क्या है?
मैं एग्जैक्टली अभी सीनियर सिटीजन 60 इयर्स की आयु में प्रवेश किया हूँ।
थैंक यू। अब आप कितने सालों से ये फिटनेस रेजिम का अवलंब कर रहे हैं?
एग्जैक्टली 15 साल हो गया, 2010
आप दिन में कितने समय तक फिटनेस रूटीन का प्रयोग करते हो?
फिटनेस का जो मेरा अपना पर्सनल कॉन्सेप्ट और क्राइटेरिया है, उसमें मैंने मंथ का अपना टारगेट फिक्स किया हुआ है कि मंथली आई हैव टू अचीव दिस मच ऑफ माइलेज, दिस मच ऑफ किलोमीटर रनिंग एंड वॉकिंग, बट ऑन एन एवरेज आई एंश्योर दैट आई शुड फिनिश क्लोज टू 8 to 10 किलोमीटर्स पर डे।
आप दिन में कितना समय देते हैं फिटनेस के लिए?
1 hour to 1.5 hours on an average।
मुझे ये आपको बताने का मेरा दायित्व है कि तरुण सामंत सर ये कारपोरेट कल्चर में बहुत एक्टिव थे और बड़े बड़े पदों पे उन्होंने काम किया है। टाटा ग्रुप के जो कंपनीज है, अनेक 150 कंपनीज, उसके इथिकल हेड भी थे। तो मुझे ये जानने में दिलचस्पी है कि इतने हेक्टिक शेड्यूल में कारपोरेट वर्ल्ड में आप काम करते हुए फिटनेस को कैसे संभाले आपने? वो दायित्व भी निभाया और फिटनेस का भी खुद का हॉबी में बोलता हूँ आपकी, वो डेवलप किया। हाउ यू बैलेंस ऑल दिस थिंग?
Thank you, Viren ji. I think this is a very good question. This all started way back in 2010 when I had my first angioplasty. Post that, I literally took a pledge that I will start running in Bombay Marathon. So from 2010 onwards, I started practicing for Bombay Marathon.
बाकी सिर्फ दौड़ना नहीं, मैंने आपको देखा है कि आप योगासन एक्सरसाइजेस भी करते हैं। वो कहाँ से मिला आपको प्रेरणा?
That credit goes to my better half, Vandana Samant, because he is very regular in stretching, yoga, doing all that exercise that I have picked up from my wife.
मेरी वाइफ रेगुलरली अमेज़न से बहुत सारी चीजें परचेस करते हैं। एक दिन उसने अमेज़न पे देखा क्रिएटिंग ब्लिसफुल होम्स और नीचे लिखा तरुण सामंत, तो उसे दिलचस्पी बढ़ी क्योंकि मैंने उसको बताया था कि तरुण सामंत जी ये हमारे लेंड्रा पार्क में घूमने वाले और सबका आकर्षण केंद्र बने हुए एक व्यक्ति। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि ये क्रिएटिंग ब्लिसफुल होम्स, ये किताब लिखने की आपकी प्रेरणा आपको कहां से मिली?
Thank you so much again, Viren ji, for this compliment. This creating blissful home, the trigger of this book started from Ruby Hospital, Pune. When my father was admitted there, Doctors were asking for his medical records and medical files at the age of 95, since he was not having any medical file. So the trigger is Ruby Hospital, Pune.
बढ़िया। ये जो किताब है क्रिएटिंग ब्लिसफुल होम्स, हमने पढ़ा था हाउस को होम कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इस विषय में क्या क्या आपने बताया है जरा दर्शकों को बताइए।
Okay. It's really my pleasure to share this thing with the audience of your channel. I have blended my 35 years of corporate and personal wisdom into this book. There are a lot of similarities between corporate challenges and personal challenges.
अच्छा,
So it's basically a mixture, very simple approaches I have blended. I have shared very simple approaches for transforming house to homes in this book.
okay, wonderful. I have read this book
Okay.
and I have jotted down some words from the book.
Okay.
I have read that accept or expect,
Right.
इस विषय पे आपने बहुत चर्चा की है, तो मुझे आपसे निवेदन है कि आप उस विषय पे भी दर्शकों को बताएंगे।
Thank you again for asking for a very nice question. See, my personal experience is, by nature, by birth, by default, we all are used to high expectations. Now, what is expectation? I would like to explain to your audience. Expectation, in my personal opinion, is disappointment. And disappointment, in my opinion, is equal to when whatever you are expecting and whatever is the achievement. It's a difference between your expectation and achievement. So we should minimize our expectation and we should increase our acceptance in life to have a harmonious life.
Wonderful. Team, the meaning of team.
Yeah.
You have explained that together everyone achieves more is the meaning of team.
Correct.
I had read this sentence in context of my office work.
Okay.
I had worked as course director, course coordinator at Fodari Training Center. And in that corporate world, this meaning of the team, 100% it suits. But how you have connected team, that is that together we can achieve more in home context. Please explain.
Okay, thank you. As you said very nicely, the meaning of team is together everyone achieves more. Now, house, when we say we are a family generally consists of 3, 4, 5, 6 people. This is also a team. Now, for example, if you have to renovate your house, if you have to do the interiors of your house, I don't think only the husband can take that call. It should be a combined effort, it should be a joint effort. The color choice, the plywood choice, the curtain choice, that is where I highlighting that the way we use team in the office environment,
Okay.
in the same context, together everyone achieves more is very much applicable at the home environment.
आपके इस क्रिएटिंग ब्लिसफुल होम्स इस किताब में एक चैप्टर में लिखा है आपने कि परफेक्ट हस्बैंड, परफेक्ट वाइफ, परफेक्ट चाइल्ड, परफेक्ट होम इज अ टोटली अ मिथ। यानी ये कवि कल्पना है, ये वास्तव में नहीं आता है। व्हाट वी हैव टू अचीव इज प्रोग्रेस। वी हैव टू अचीव फ्रॉम करंट लेवल टू परफेक्शन, बट नेवर स्ट्राइव फॉर परफेक्शन। तो प्रोग्रेस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन परफेक्शन। इस विषय पे आपके तरफ से कुछ चर्चा हो, ऐसा मेरा निवेदन है।
Thank you. See, the literal meaning of perfection is something without any fault,
अच्छा,
something without any defect,
या
something that doesn't require any improvement. Now, when you take these three meanings into the perfection and you copy paste these meanings into the perfection word, that's really impossible. What is possible is, the moment I become perfect husband, that means I don't have a scope of improvement. Is that possible? Answer is no.
Yes.
The moment my wife becomes perfect wife, there is no scope of improvement.
यस,
So if there is no scope of improvement, what exactly will be the charm in the life? The life will become dry and dull. Number one. Number two, we should aspire for perfect moments. You and me are talking right now. This is a perfect moment. So that's my concept of perfection. More than perfection, progress is required.
Yeah.
We should have addition on a daily basis in our life.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। Tarun Samant sir,
Thank you so much.
for creating this wonderful book that is Creating Blissful Homes. And I would like to tell the public, the audience, that this book was inaugurated by the IIM head of Nagpur and Sri Parshikar sir, who is editor of Hitwan, and both have praised this book a lot. I will end this podcast with my last question, okay? And that is the question which I would like to ask Tarun Samant sir.
Okay.
You have written in your book that there are 3 cancerous words
Right.
which will literally ruin every home.
Right.
That is criticize, compare, and complain.
Right.
Complain, criticize, and compare.
Right.
So I request you to illustrate regarding these cancerous words.
Okay. Thank you, Milanji, again. See, if you see the literal meaning of all these 3 words, compare, complain, and criticism, they are cancerous words. Why I am highlighting them as a cancerous word? The moment I compare Tarun Samant with Mr. Milind, I am trying to downgrade Mr. Milind. I am saying Tarun Samant is better, Mr. Milind is not better. Now please apply that in your home environment. The moment you are comparing your son and daughter or your 2 daughters, that means you are saying one daughter is better, one daughter is not better. So comparison is very, very injurious in the family environment. Complain. When a child complains, what child is saying? Child is basically talking about importance, insecurity. When the child doesn't get adequate attention, then he complains, right?
Yeah.
So the complaint, assuming the food is not good, should we complain it? Answer is no. Criticizing, when we criticize somebody, if I criticize you or if I criticize my wife or a daughter, that means I am saying I am better than my daughter, I am better than my wife, and I am creating an environment of insecurity.
Yeah. Thank you, Samant sir. I am fortunate to have Tarun Samant sir on my channel. Milind Rahatgaonkar, Mala Je Je Bhavte Te Sarva. I am proud that a person who is fit physically as well as mentally is here on my podcast. And thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It is indeed my pleasure. My best wishes to your all audience.
Thank you, sir.
At the end of this podcast, it is my duty to thank my entire team members. I am grateful to cameraman Nanesh Pahune, my associate Dr. Praful Tople, and daughter of Tarunji Samant, Akshita Samant, for their valuable help during the podcast. It is my sincere request to press the like button to convey your appreciation. I will be grateful to you if you use share button to send this podcast to your friends and relatives. I will be obliged if you press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get associated with me permanently. Thank you.